Look at that finish. Perfect clarity. Let's lock the mold edges. Spread them evenly. Slow mix. No bubbles. Steady pour. Look at that finish. This coffee table is going to look stunning. Resin level coming up. Look at that finish. Perfect clarity. This aquarium epoxy table will look amazing.
Seal the joint evenly.
Place the coral here. Perfect finish.
This table will look beautiful. We applied the epoxy resin. We're getting some bubbles here. And so, ready for sanding. All right, and it's in. Now the shine comes back. Perfect, finished.
Let's seal this edge. Make sure nothing leaks.
2 parts resin. Mix slowly.
Slow pour. Steady. Bubbles are coming up. Give it heat. There it is. Perfect finish.